Hey everyone, Brian here with SLG Concrete Coatings. Thanks for joining us for another testimonial video where we go out to our client Phil's house and check out his 2-car garage plus man cave that we did quite a few months ago. We're excited to share it with you. Hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for tuning in.
It was great. The estimating process went very smooth. I called a couple different places and SLG got back to me within 24 hours. They had a quote to me soon after, came out, told me exactly what they were going to do, and they finished it all in one day. The installation was amazing, actually. They showed up like 7:30 in the morning and started grinding the cement. They took off a tiny film of the cement to make it super clean. They went all through the coats and they were out of here by 3:30. And that was on a Friday, and on Monday it was ready to use, ready to drive cars on, super clean, worked out really well. Oh, I love it now. It's super clean. In fact, it feels like an extension of the house rather than a garage. I walk out here barefoot or, in my socks, and it's super easy to clean. And I blow the big garage with a blower, sweep it, and I have a little mop that I can use if it gets dirty, and it just swipes right off. You spill oil, doesn't matter what you spill on it, it just comes right off, and it's it's like cleaning a hardwood floor. I would definitely recommend SLG. I don't think you can go wrong. They're quick on the quotes, very accurate, and they show up and get everything done in one day. Did both garages in one day, which to me was amazing, and very happy with the results.